Kaprenes, sa affidavit mo, may pinanggit kang Benzariap na namigay ng 4,000 pesos to each of the employees when they got the forms. Tama ba yun? Sino siya?
Yes, that is true, Honorable Chairperson Senator Aimee. This Mr. Bin Saryap is one of the trusted first and second district political coordinator of PBA. I knew him personally just because kasama-kasama kami niyan dyan sa barangay. No? He is a usual visitors of my barangay kasi
Madam Chair.
we have an infra projects.
What is PBA?
Yung isa sa mga party list natin na
PBA party list.
party list po.
Who is the PBA party list representative?
It is the Honorable Mix Nograles.
Migs Nograles. So she's from Davao, right?
He is based on Davao.